Hello, welcome to my creative channel. This channel always has a new creative idea. This idea, I want to show you how to create a fantastic flower. I hope it's useful for all of you. These flowers come from two kinds of ribbon, the light color and the dark colors. We also need bead and pearl. I hope you like it, and don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. Let's prepare the material for making this flower. We need ribbon, two kinds of ribbon. This is the bigger than the dark colors. We need bead, pearl, scissors, and glue gun and glue stick. The first step, we take the ribbon and the width 2.5 centimeter, and we cut this the length 10 centimeter. Also the dark colors 10 centimeters. Okay. We put the dark colors or the small colors on the light color. You can give the little bit glue. Like this. And then you fold into two parts. You fold. And the other side, you put on the dark color. You insert. Yeah, you insert like this. And you can give the glue. Like this. And you fold in the corner, fold a little bit like this. And like this. You also give the little bit the glue. And like this. You need 12 petals for each flower. Okay. Give the glue the light color. Again. Until 6 petals. And then we put here the glue. This one. Give again. And we need 12. Yeah. For make more beautiful the flower, we need bead and pearl. Okay. The bead we need 7. 7 bead and 1 pearl. Okay. Give the glue in the middle and put the pearl in the center and give again. And the flower, fantastic flower has done. Thank you and